I'm going to tell you how to make the best pumpkin pie ever. Making pumpkin pie is a delicious process and perfect for autumn or holiday gatherings. You're going to start by preparing the crust, either by using a store-bought one or making your own from scratch. For a homemade crust, you're going to mix flour, butter, salt, and cold water until the dough forms. Then you're going to roll it out and fit it into a pie pan. You're going to set the crust aside while you prepare the filling. For the filling, you're going to combine canned or freshly pured pumpkin with sugar, eggs, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg in a large bowl. Those are the ingredients. You can adjust the spices to your taste, but the classic combination of cinnamon and nutmeg is essential for that signature pumpkin flavor. Add a pinch of salt and then pour in a bit of heavy cream or evaporated milk for a smooth, creamy texture. Mix everything together until smooth and well combined. Preheat your oven, and once ready, you're going to pour the pumpkin mixture into the prepared crust. You're going to bake the pie until the filling is set but slightly jiggly in the center. It's important to check for doneness by inserting a knife into the center. If it comes out clean, the pie is ready. You're going to let the pie cool before serving and top it with whipped cream if desired. And the result is a warm, flavorful treat, perfect for any occasion. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out.